In every corner of Europe, GRASSRoots Sport ignites passion, forges connections and nurtures talent, acting as a vital conduit for social interaction, physical and mental well-being and personal growth. Yet within these vibrant gatherings lies a pressing challenge, ensuring the safety and well-being of every participant. This challenge, if unaddressed, could undermine the integrity and inclusive nature of sport, and that's the impetus behind the Safer GRASSRoots Sport project, a comprehensive response to the universal need for safeguarding within sport at a community level. The genesis of this project lies in a simple truth. While sport offers immense benefits, from physical and mental health to social cohesion, it also presents risks. Incidents of neglect, violence and abuse in sport can not only harm individuals, but also tarnish the true spirit of communities. Recognizing this, the Safer GRASSRoots Sport project was conceived to transform the landscape of sport at a community level into a safer, more inclusive space for everyone, especially the young and most vulnerable. At the heart of the project is a commitment to proactive safeguarding, an approach that goes beyond reactive measures in order to build a culture of safety and respect. This involves not just addressing risks as they arise, but preventing them through education, awareness and community engagement. The project is structured around key pillars designed to tackle the multifaceted nature of safeguarding, raising awareness of the issue, ensuring they are equipped to recognize and respond to safeguarding issues, establishing robust safeguarding policies that create a solid foundation for activations with clear guidelines that underscore the importance of safety and set standards for behavior and practices. Engaging in active risk management through implementing strategies that identify potential risks and vulnerabilities within sports settings and then taking preemptive action to mitigate them. And promoting inclusivity and respect by developing codes of conduct that emphasize the values of respect, fairness and equality, ensuring that sport remains accessible and enjoyable for all. To bring these principles to life, the Safer GRASSRoots Sport project will introduce a suite of tools and resources that include a mapping of best practice, drawing from a wide array of successful models to offer practical, proven strategies for safeguarding within sport at a grassroots level, an online self-assessment tool enabling organizations to evaluate their own safeguarding measures, identify gaps and prioritize improvements, and a digital toolkit providing ready-to-use resources from policy templates to guidelines for procedures and behaviours tailored to the needs and realities of sports organisations at grassroots level. These elements are not just components of a project, but tools for transformation designed to empower leaders, coaches, educators and participants at all levels while making safety a cornerstone of sports participation within communities. So as the Safer GRASSRoots Sport project evolves, a movement can be ignited that promises to redefine sports within communities, encouraging a united front in the pursuit of safety, inclusion and empowerment, and where every individual can pursue their passion for sport free from harm and full of promise.